careful, Senna. How about jingle bells?
Oh. Okay, no. Well, let's do jingle bells first, okay?
Well, Senna, hang on. Very good. Jingle bells.
Jingle bell song.
It is the jingle bell song. Jingle bell.
Okay, be very gentle, okay?
Okay.
Oh, no, not there. On this side.
Wow. Up and down, very gentle. Okay, it's Issa's turn now. Wait. Girls, do not touch the reed.
Don't touch the strings.
Strings.
You know what this is called? This part of the bow is called the frog. And that's what you hold, okay?
Frog?
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, good job, girls.
Yeah.